Good morning, all of you. Only 4 students. How was your test, all of you? How was it?
So nice.
Nice. Bhavya, how was the test? सक्षम प्रांजल कैसा हुआ भाई?
So very good. Excellent.
Mhm. So, shall we start or we should wait because only 4 students are there? What is the reason? Any idea?
So
Students are
test
saying
maybe.
Sir, science paper.
science paper tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And maybe they must be sending their PDF files of mathematics.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Or I hope it is not because of the change in the timings. चलो, Aditi,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Aditi, you are joined from 2 devices.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. I
I.
have phone also.
Aditi. Okay.
Now I have joined with laptop.
Okay. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. So let's not wait.
Okay, sir.
विभिन्न आ गई. आदित्य कैसा हुआ भाई टेस्ट आज?
Sir, it was easy.
Easy. रिद्धिमा
So very easy.
very easy. Was it lengthy or not?
No, sir. I completed in 1 hour.
Sir, only I get confused in ninth question. But I then understood that.
Okay. चलो अच्छी बात. Okay, so let's start. We have started the first exercise, am I right, of mensuration? Or we have
Yes,
just.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So how many questions we have done of this first exercise? Find the correct area for rectangle power 1 of 4.
So We were on third.
Okay, we have to do the third one. The sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3. The area of this. I think we started this question in the last period, day before. No, sorry, on Saturday. I think. No,
Yes, sir.
on Friday we started this question, but we were not able to complete it. I think. Or we have completed it. Third one. We have completed it.
No,
Or
sir.
no.
No, sir, not completed.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So let's start the third one. Mensuration. Exercise 20A. Question 3. The sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3. So there is a rectangular park, उसकी sides का ratio given है 4:3. So let the length be 4x and the breadth be 3x. लिख लो बेटा इतना, all of you. Let the length of the rectangle be 4x and the breadth be 3x. And now the area of the rectangle is given 1728 meters square. Find the cost of fencing. Fencing का मतलब क्या होता है? Whenever we have to find the cost of fencing, we find the perimeter of the given figure. ठीक है, fencing का मतलब क्या होता है? उसके border पर आपको मतलब एक तरीके से boundary prepare करनी है. Okay. तो कोई भी फिगर हो, whether it be a rectangle or a square or even a circle, अगर आपको उसमें fencing करनी, that means उसका border prepare करना. Border prepare का मतलब क्या हुआ? You have to find the perimeter. Okay. So first of all, we will find the sides of the rectangle. अगर हमको sides पता होंगी तभी we can find the perimeter. Okay. So let's do it. So I hope you all have written the length of the rectangle is 4x and the breadth is 3x. So we know that area is equal to length into breadth. Area is given 1728 meters square. 4x into 3x. Length 4x, breadth 3x. Now 1728 equals to 12. 4 into 3 is 12. And x into x is x square. कई बच्चे यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं? They write x into x as x only. केवल x लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. 4x into 3x 12x लिख देते हैं. That is totally wrong. So it will be 12x square. Okay. So 1728 upon 12 is equal to x square. Now x square is equal to, if you simplify this, what will you get? 152, 4, 144. X square equals to 144, so x equals to square root of 144. I hope you all remember how to find the square root. 12
Yes, sir.
meters. So x की value 12 meters. Again, now what is the length? Length कितना है आपका? 4x. So that means 48 meters. And breadth 3x. This means 36 meters. So length is 48, breadth is 36 meters. Now what? You have to find the perimeter. Fencing की cost
The
निकालनी है.
perimeter.
So to find the cost of fencing, we will have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula. 2 into 48 plus 36. This is 84. 2 into 84, 168 meters. Perimeter की यूनिट मीटर स्क्वायर नहीं होगी, this is मीटर. Perimeter is nothing but just a distance. Distance की यूनिट कभी भी मीटर स्क्वायर या फिर किलोमीटर स्क्वायर इस तरीके से नहीं होगी. Area is not a distance. Area distance नहीं होती है. Perimeter is a distance. Length is a distance. Breadth is a distance. ठीक है. So ये distances जो होंगी उसमें या तो मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, किलोमीटर इस तरीके से होगा. But area, whatever type of area it is, it will always be meter square or centimeter square, kilometer square, decimeter square, like this. Okay. So perimeter is this. Now the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is equals to perimeter multiplied by 30. Why? यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं ₹30 पर मीटर की रेट जो दिया हुआ है फेंसिंग का, दैट इज ₹30 पर मीटर. यानी कि 1 मीटर आपने अगर फेंसिंग करी वहां पर प्लॉट में 1 मीटर की फेंसिंग अगर करी तो ₹30 आपको देने पड़ेंगे. बट हमें कितनी करनी है? वी हैव टू डू इट फॉर 168 मीटर्स. 1 मीटर तो करनी नहीं है हमको, तो इतनी सारी करनी है 168 मीटर्स. तो टोटल कॉस्ट क्या आएगी? 30 into 168. Okay, so what is this? Multiply किया आपने? I think it is 508 rupees. 508. Sorry, 5080. 5080. Am I right or not? Check करो. सही करा मल्टीप्लाई मैंने?
5040.
40. Yes, 5040. Sorry. So 5040 rupees. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. Question 4. The area of a rectangular field is this and its length is 64. Can you do it on your own? Question 4, all of you. Length is given, area is given. पहले आप इसकी breadth निकाल लो. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 kilometers per hour. How long he will take to go 5 times round it? देखो, let me explain the question. Area of the rectangular field is given. Length is given. Can you all find the breadth? पहले मुझे इतना बताओ. Can you find the breadth if the area and length is given?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can find the breadth. So now you have to. There is a boy who's running all around the field. कहाँ रन कर रहा है? फील्ड के एकदम बॉर्डर पे, कोने कोने पर, किनारे पे रन कर रहा है. तो दैट मींस हमको क्या चाहिए? पेरीमीटर और एरिया. केवल बाउंड्री पे रन कर रहा है वो.
Sir, perimeter.
The perimeter.
तो 5 राउंड उसने लगाए टोटल. अब क्या करना है? 5 राउंड्स लगाए, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? We will multiply
Sir,
the
we will multiply it.
We will multiply the perimeter by 5. क्यों ऐसा
5.
क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because he has taken
because-
5 rounds all around the rectangular field. ठीक है, 5 राउंड लगाए हैं उसने. तो क्या करेंगे? पेरीमीटर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो पहले तो हमको ये इससे क्या मिलेगा? व्हाट विल वी गेट? कि कितना डिस्टेंस उस बॉय ने कवर किया है. कैन वी गेट इट और नॉट? अगर हम पेरीमीटर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, सो द बॉय हैज रन फॉर हाउ मच डिस्टेंस, ये आपको पता चल जाएगा. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply the perimeter by 5, मिल गया. Now the speed at which the boy is running वो भी आपको दिया हुआ है. आपको डिस्टेंस भी पता चल गई है. डिस्टेंस कैसे पता चली? पेरीमीटर इंटू 5 करके. स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस आपको मालूम है. Can you find the time? What is the formula of finding the time if you know the speed and distance? Time is equal to distance upon speed.
On
Distance
time.
को speed से divide कर देंगे, you will get the time. Okay, do it. If you need any help, you tell me. Okay, clear? Have you understood the whole question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Start doing it. So one more thing you should keep in mind that जो perimeter आएगा, you convert it in kilometers first. Perimeter को आप पहले किलोमीटर में change करना. Why I am saying this? Because जो भी distance आएगी उसको किलोमीटर में change करिएगा. Why? Because the speed is given in kilometer per hour. So I hope you all know how to convert meter in kilometers. Convert करना आता होगा.
Yes, sir.
Divided by 1000. ठीक है, किलोमीटर में चेंज हो जाएगी. तो जो भी डिस्टेंस आएगा उसको पहले किलोमीटर में चेंज करेंगे, देन यू फाइंड द टाइम. ओके, आर यू ऑल डूइंग इट?
Yes, sir. Aditya Mishra, you came late, you joined late today. Why? लेट क्यों हो गए? आदित्य मिश्रा. ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था, पिज्जा खा रहा था. बताओ बेटा. आन्या, आप भी थोड़ा लेट हो गई है बेटा, क्यों हो गए बताओ. You were sending the PDF?
No, sir.
Doing breakfast?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Please wait a second, sir. Doing. Sir, please tell the answer of the last one question.
Answer of last question. What was the question?
Sir, rhombus one.
क्या था बताओ. Read the question.
Sir, मेरा answer था 41.25.
Read the
68.
question. Read the question. I will take-
Sir, it was like, sir, wait a second.
Sir, question was, sir, find the parameter of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonal are 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So this
Length
is
of
from book only.
diagonals. Find the perimeter of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are 16 and 30. So 8,
68.
15.
So 68. Answer.
Diagonals
Sir,
are
15 square 225 and 8 square 64. When we add them and find the square root, it's 17, and multiplied by 4, it's 68.
Sir, I did like, sir. Sir, first I written 2, then the square root, sir. Then the square of the both number plus, sir, added by the, but I got.
find the perimeter of the rhombus whose the length of whose diagonals are 16 centimeters and 30 centimeters. Okay. So first you had to use Pythagoras theorem to find the side. कितनी आई
Sir,
side?
perimeter was 68.
Beta
Sir, the
side
hypotenuse will be 17.
17. 8, 15 and 17. 8 square is 64. 15 square is 225. 225 plus 64 is equals to 289. 289 square root is 17. 17 into 4 कर लेंगे तो perimeter आ जाएगा. 17 into 4 is 68. 68 is the answer.
Sir, first I was doing by Pythagoras theorem, but I thought that maybe from it the answer may not come. So then I cut. Then I do like, sir, 2 square roots are 16 square plus, sir, 30 square.
चलो कोई बात नहीं देखिए.
Sir, in third question, we have to convert parameter in kilometers, or we have to first multiply it by 5.
You can do anything. You first multiply by 5 and then convert the distance in kilometers. पहले total distance उसने जो cover करा है वो निकाल लो by multiplying by 5 and then you convert in kilometers. Okay.
Sir, please tell the fourth one again.
Sir, if our way is correct of doing but answer was wrong, sir, can we get half marks?
If the method is wrong,
Method is correct
so
and answer is
like which question? You suppose you have done some mistake.
sir, last one. Yes, sir. Sir,
Suppose you
in
have
sir,
done
what
some
we
mistake
saw.
in calculation.
Eh,
The
yes, sir.
concept that you have used is correct and it is a 4-mark question, then I will give you 2 or 3 marks. Only if the calculation in the end is wrong, मैं आपको 4 में से 2 marks तो दे दूंगा at least.
Okay, sir.
But if the concept is totally wrong, then you will not get any marks. Beta, fourth question, you were asking me the question which is there in the exercise. यही वाला ना exercise का 20, exercise 20A.
Yes, sir.
Question 4 you are asking,
Yes,
na?
sir.
Okay. So in
Yes, sir.
question 4, the area is given and the length is given. With the help of area and length, first you find the breadth of the rectangle. Breadth निकाल लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
Breadth की help से हम फिर
सही
उससे
आंसर है.
sorry.
ये सर इसके बाद क्या करना है? सर इसके बाद क्या करना है वो बता दीजिए.
Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter निकालेंगे with the help of length and breadth. Perimeter का formula
Okay, sir.
यहाँ पे लिखा है. Then
Yes,
perimeter
sir.
we will multiply by 5. Why we will multiply the perimeter by 5? Because we have to find the distance. कि boy ने कितना distance cover करा है. He has taken 5 rounds. जो rectangular field है उसके 5 rounds उसने लगाए हैं. Okay. So multiply the perimeter by 5. इससे आपको total distance जो cover किया है वो मिल जाएगा. Convert the distance in kilometers. आपको जो distance मिलेगी वो मीटर में मिलेगी. मीटर से आप किलोमीटर में चेंज कर लेंगे. You know how to convert the distance in kilometer. तो ये distance मिल गई आपको. Now speed at which he is running around the field, that is given. 6 kilometers per hour आपको speed given है. Distance आपने निकाल ली with the help of perimeter. Perimeter को 5 से multiply करके आपने distance निकाल लिया था. तो फॉर्मूला ऑफ टाइम आपको अल्टीमेटली क्या निकालना है, कितने टाइम में उसने ये डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, तो टाइम निकालना है। टाइम का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ टाइम टू फाइंड द टाइम. So with the help of this formula you will find the time at which, sorry, in which he will cover the total distance. Okay, got it?
Okay,
Anya?
sir. Yes, sir.
नहीं आएगा तो I will tell you in the class tomorrow when we will
Sir,
have.
or we can do like this, sir. We can convert 6,000, मतलब 6 kilometer in meters and then do.
So we can do by unity
that
method.
also, if you convert your speed in meter per hour, then also you can find, or you can convert your speed in meter per second also, that is also fine. Okay, so let's end the class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.